Welcome back, Qualipack. Today I'll actually be doing an update video rather than another tutorial. All week I've been working on a new game. It's going to be called The Great War. I will be using Unreal Engine 4. I'm currently creating a budget, trying to get everything together so I can start crowdfunding. My plan is to pay out of pocket for a teaser so I can get something out there that'll show accurate representation of what I want the game to look like. It will be in a Burton-esque style, so you can think of like the game Little Nightmares or the movie The Nightmare Before Christmas or Corpse Bride by Tim Burton. That's where the word comes from, Burton-esque. I just really like that, especially for like a creepy game or a mystery game. And like Little Nightmares really pulled it off well, so it's not impossible for a game to be good in that kind of style. Yeah, it's going to be called The Great War. I don't want to give away too much information just yet, since I just started planning this week. Hopefully, between now and the next 2 weeks, I'll be able to, make a little room for you to roam around in and have just have a video of that. Just some simple mechanics. Hopefully a generic HUD for, just representation. That way it looks like, it kind of gives off what the game will actually represent in the long run without me having to program like a large chunk of the game beforehand. I will be hiring people from Fiverr or ArtStation, random websites that people put up their portfolio basically, since my main talent, so to speak, is the programming aspect. I'll be using blueprints for this game, since I'm already used to Visual Script, since I've been using Clcikteam for the past four or 5 years, something like that. That's pretty much it. Hopefully I will be able to make a actual tutorial. I want to go over Clcikteam Fusion 2.5 Plus next week, if I have the time to. I've been working a lot. As I said before, I'm having another daughter, so we're trying to get the house together, and I still have this projector screen up, so you can't really say anything. But yeah, like I said before, I've changed my ceiling fan, new flooring, painted. So yeah, I will hopefully see you guys next week.